Greetings from Sinch. This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to host a toll-free number for messaging in the Sinch customer dashboard. Let's begin. Click on Numbers in the left sidebar menu. Navigate to SMS Hosting USA, Canada. Click the Add Numbers button. Enter the toll-free number in the input field. The number should be in E164 format. If you have multiple numbers, you can add them with the Upload CSV file option. Click on the Add button to go to the next step. To verify ownership of the number, select Verify by OTP. If you are hosting many numbers, you can select the Verify Ownership by Invoice option, which will instruct you how to provide a copy of your number invoice to Sinch in order to verify number ownership. Verifying ownership by invoice takes 1 to 3 days. If you opt to verify ownership by OTP, you will receive a phone call on your toll-free number with a one-time passcode. Enter the code and then click Verify. Once number ownership is verified, you will see the status change to Ready to Enable SMS. Click the Enable SMS for Numbers button. Select the toll-free number type. Select your toll-free number from the list. You can select multiple numbers. Fill in the fields to create the letter of authorization, also known as an LOA, which will allow Sinch to enable the number for messaging. Select the LOA type. Choose Direct if you are a direct Sinch customer, or Reseller if you are a Sinch partner. If you select the Reseller option, then the LOA will state that the authorization is between you, the reseller, and your end customer. If you want to schedule text enablement for later, select Schedule SMS enablement. You can set the date and time that you want text enablement to take place. This is an optional step. Enter your name and address information, then click Submit. After filling out the LOA fields, you will see a confirmation message that number hosting is in process. You will receive an email from Sinch, via DocuSign, requesting your signature for the LOA. Review the document and sign it. After signing the LOA, return to the number hosting page to see the status of your number hosting request. You can also click on the number for more details. On this page, you can see detailed information about the status of your number in the hosting process. Once hosting is completed, the status will be updated to Done. On average, the hosting process will take a few minutes. However, if you are hosting a number that has been previously text-enabled, the hosting process can take 1 to 3 days. Once hosting is done, your number will be listed on the Hosted and Imported Numbers tab. Your toll-free number is now enabled for messaging with Sinch. Don't forget to submit a toll-free sender verification form to ensure your messages are delivered. This guide covered the step-by-step process of hosting a toll-free number for messaging in the Sinch customer dashboard. Should you require additional assistance, our support team is always available to help you. Thank you for your time.